Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the different properties of solid, liquid and gaseous on its different aspects. So, shall we start with our video with the properties of solid. As we have already learned that molecules in solid are very tightly packed and the intermolecular space between them are very small. Therefore, the result is intermolecular force of attraction is very strong in solid. Just because of this, the strong molecular force of attraction does not allow the molecules to move from their fixed position. That's all the reason why solid have a definite shape. Because of the definite shape, solid are rigid, hard and have a definite volume. And because of small intermolecular space between the molecules, solid cannot be compressed easily. The strong intermolecular force of attraction in solid prevent molecules from sliding over each other also. Due to the strong intermolecular force of attraction in solid, they expand very little on heating. As we see the properties of liquid, the molecules in the liquid are loosely packed. Therefore, the intermolecular space in liquid are more than that in the solid. Thus, the intermolecular force of attraction in liquid is weaker as compared to the solid. Because of the weak intermolecular force of attraction in molecules, liquid can change their positions from one place to another by sliding or sliding over one another. This property of liquid allows liquids to flow. That's why liquid do not have a definite shape and they can take the shape of any container wherever it can be kept. But as we see that liquid does not have any definite shape but they have a definite volume. This is because exists substantial intermolecular force of attraction which hold the molecules always together. Liquid have large intermolecular space than solid. Therefore, they can be compressed easily. The space between the molecules will be compressed to minimize the distance between them. On heating, liquid expand more as compared to solid because the space between the molecules is there to allow the flow of liquid heat within the structure of their molecules and, and followed by weaker intermolecular force of attraction. Now, the properties of gaseous. The intermolecular space in gas are very large as compared to that of solid or a liquid. Thus, the intermolecular force of attraction is negligible in gases. In gases, the molecules are spreadly distributed, so their molecules cannot have any intermolecular force of attraction. Just because of that, the negligible intermolecular force of attraction, molecules of gas are able to move anywhere in the environment. They are independently to move in any direction and can occupy any container's space. As a result, gas do not have a definite shape or a volume. As we have already seen that the intermolecular space in gas is very large, therefore they can be compressed easily and can in a proper way also. The negligible intermolecular force of attraction in gas allow them to flow easily. We all know that air can flow easily without any disturbance, whereas gases also can expand very easily on heating because the negligible intermolecular force of attraction between them. So the molecules are distributed as apartly, though they can allow the heat to flow within their environment. Molecules in the gas are free to move, resulting the collisions among its molecules as well as with the wall of the container. This causes the pressure of a gas. This property of gas makes us that gas also can exert some pressures on the wall of the container. This all in this video. Thank you.